Let me tell you this, man. You know Bob no size. You don't try size up with Bob Marley. There's no artist in Jamaica who can ever walk in a Bob Marley footstep.
The Scoop.
Lisa Hype, you have to just accept the fact that Sidem is here to stay and she not gonna away. But guys, to be honest, I think that Lisa Hype is that woman who always in a Vybz Kartel life.
The Scoop.
People that really in the world where bad man like you can go. Because one of them just upset because Kartel did the behind the bars 13 years and him come a road and make more impact.
The Scoop.
Beenie Man, when Kartel come from prison, you are crash out, you know. You have the things where just it's not normal.
The Scoop.
The man said not eat the food because dogs don't eat the food and I don't see anything wrong with that. Beenie Man, you owed no one any apology.
The Scoop.
What a go, my people. Welcome back to The Scoop with Michelle. So guys, me a rush out, you know, but me want to touch a few topics before me rush out. So we're going to talk about Beenie Man, Bob Marley, Vybz Kartel, Lisa Hype, and Cargo. But we could start off with Bob Marley. Because you know, his birthday just passed a few days ago. And Bob is a legend. Nobody can walk in a Bob Marley show step. But me see some people at this Bob Marley because he won the Grammy the other day. Let me tell you this, man. You know Bob no size. And if you know this Bob Marley and pick them all get upset and tell you about your mother, I'm not wrong them. You understand? Me see some people are size up with Bob. Come on, guys. Because a lot of you just start to watch the Grammys the other day, you know. So you don't really know what the Grammy is about. You don't know what even get somebody to be nominated. Much less for win the Grammy. So you don't need to go do a research on that. You understand? Because you not going like say then just dig up a Bob Marley song from way back when and give it Grammy. Bob Marley's song was streamed more than Vybz Kartel and SHENSEA song. You understand? Because the Bob Marley movie will come out, his song was a part of the movie. So therefore people start streaming it. You understand? But you don't need to go do no research on the Grammy. Why someone is nominated in the first place and what are the criteria of someone winning a Grammy. They don't know talk. Because someone doesn't know what to talk. When you stop this Bob Marley, the legend will really put Jamaica on the map musically. You understand? No, no do that something, man. No don't do it. No, no do that. We love Kartel, we love SHENSEA, but Bob is in a league by himself. No know himself, man. No don't do that something. So they pick them have a right to be upset. Second, Cargo him now. You are going to say, if Vybz Kartel did ever win the Grammy, you would have a heart attack, I get strokes. I hate so bad mind that, you know. And you talk it like a joke. That I hate so bad mind, no brother. What Kartel has ever done to you, if you don't want this man to win no Grammy, or you have so much negative things to say about Vybz Kartel. Then people that really in the world where bad mind like you can go. Because one of them just upset because Kartel did the behind the bars 13 years and him come a road and make more impact. Even when he was behind the bar, he still make more impact than Uno. So I'm so upset and I'm so mad. Uno upset and I'm mad at that, you know. Uno upset and man progress. The man never see you, the man not appear no mind and you not stop. Cargo. You need to go look at it song and leave Kartel name because Kartel not look for you. Him not look. Alright guys, moving on to Beenie Man. Boy, Beenie Man can't seem to catch a break in. Beenie Man can't seem to catch a break, guys. But I'm going to talk about the Trinidad and them now, guys. Where me hear them say some things and I talk some things where it don't make no sense. Disrespecting someone's culture is a no-no. But you know I go too hard. You know I go too hard. If I was Beenie Man, I wouldn't apologize. It's just the truth. I would not have apologized. Maybe because Beenie Man in the public's eyes and he's an artist, why I apologize. But he did not disrespect no Trinidadian food. Beenie Man did not disrespect. The man said not eat the food because dogs don't eat the food. And I don't see anything wrong with that. And Trinidadians just sing slow because how we beat Beenie Man, you know, because Beenie Man is Jamaican and we are beating for our next Jamaican artist. But who don't know about try beat him? Yeah, because he is Jamaican and we are Jamaicans first. You understand? So not because here we are beating for our next artist. means say uno for run in and beat him. No, I don't saw it work. But Beenie Man, you know, from Kartel come from prison, Beenie Man, you crash out, you know, Beenie. You do some things where we never usually see you do it. You fight for this kingship. You could have just bow out, you know, from the first video making on me say, Beenie Man, just bow out gracefully. Just bow out gracefully. You should have been the one passing the torch to Vybz Kartel as a real veteran. Remember, you're a legend, you know, man. You make your mark. You don't need, if you didn't go back and forth with nobody on the internet and make some people not even up on your levels and disrespect you. Now you have your daughter coming out and saying things and letting people know say you're not really a good father. You understand? Your kids are a part of your legacy, Beenie Man. Your kids are a part of your legacy, Beenie Man. If you ensure so your kids them good. You understand? But me not have enough time to go down in a Disha saga. Me not have that time there. Lisa Hyper now. Lisa Hyper, you need to pick something. Because first you say, they hack your phone. You understand? Then you say, you're a publicity stunt while you come on this Vybz Kartel. Which is it? Which is it? Which is it? Lisa Hyper, you need to get a grip. Lisa Hyper, you have to just accept the fact that Sidem is here to stay and she's not going to work. But guys, to be honest, I think that Lisa Hyper is that woman we're always in a Vybz Kartel life. You know, matter the woman the Kartel have, Lisa Hyper is the side chick. She is the main side chick. Can't believe me, I feel like say I did touch it from him come from prison. I just the truth. Lisa Hyper, she even go on to say, she realized say, Sidem is the right choice for Vybz Kartel. And she loves Sidem for Vybz Kartel. So now, she, Lisa Hyper, can find a man to fear herself. Where that say, it means say a Kartel did a man. You understand? But now that she say I see them in choice, she'll go move on and find somebody to fear herself. But guys, it look like say me alone never knows a Dexter and Lisa Hyper did involve, you know, guys. Till Lisa Hyper say she lose a baby for him. We never know that. You know did know? Make me know in the comments if you don't know. Look like me later and me live under a rock. Yeah, but Lisa Hyper need to give it up now. Seek help if you need help. Because in the interview, Lisa Hyper, you said that every time something will go on for you. Every time something will go on for you and your career is like you get this spiritual attack. And it look like that happen now, guys. I don't know if that happen, but yeah. Lisa Hyper, I can't lament no longer upon you. Guys, talk about change. Vybz Kartel is what change looks like. When somebody said that the change, this man is completely a different individual from the Kartel that we knew before he went to prison. Him going as Kartel and him come out as Adidja Palmer. Yeah, man. Him going as Vybz Kartel, but him come out as Adidja Palmer. Even in the comments, guys, I see persons who were saying that they weren't Gaza fans before Vybz Kartel go to prison, but Vybz Kartel starting to grow on them. And they're starting to see him for the good individual that he is. And the impact that he brings to persons' life. You understand? He's very impactful, guys. Vybz Kartel, big up yourself, and I go always big up yourself. You're a real king. Yeah, man. You're a king. So Beenie Man, you can just give it up now and just know that Vybz Kartel is the king. I can't live till me talk about the donkey song. What a song, bad. Me nah like look guys, the donkey song, it bad. Hey, me sorry for no 1-1, you know, Destiny I come for 1-1, you know. Destiny I come for no 1-1. Yeah, man, but big up Damien and the song they gonna lead it bad, man. I tell you like guys. Anyway, guys, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for listening. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Not on TikTok, over YouTube, I talk. Yeah, man, look over YouTube, watch the video, them, guys. Sure, oh, no move, so. Bye.
The Scoop.